All right, continuing on with 10-1 notes here, just finishing up with these solving steps. Okay, so steps for success. If you're a steps kind of person, some of us are, some of us aren't. Boom. All right. So first things first, you're going to do any distribution. Remember, you're going to look for the swoopity swoops. You're going to combine any like terms. However, you're only combining like terms if they're on the same side of that equal sign. If they're not on the same side of the equal sign, you cannot combine them and you'll have to use the inverse operations. Number two, you're going to get all variables on the same side of the equal sign, just like we did in that baby first example. We were moving everything over, so all of my g's were on the same side. And again, you do that using your inverse ops. Isolate the x term, get that x piece by itself, the 3x, the 1/4 x, get the piece with the x by itself first, and then get the x by itself. Still using inverse operations to do that. And check using order of operations, aka GEMS. Check. It's been a hot minute since we've done a check. So, speaking of, do you remember how to check a solution? Do. Well, lucky for you, I remember how to check a solution. So, first thing you're going to do is basically you just plug your answer into the original equation. When you're doing this, it's important to use parentheses, then GEMS to simplify. I want to stress here that you are not solving when you are checking a solution. You are simplifying the equation to see what it equals. And that is how you know if you'll have your answer right. If you end up with a true statement with a number equals to a number, a true statement, that means you're in the clear and you're good to go. Versus if you got a false statement, like 2 is equal to -2, that means that you either did something wrong in your check or you did something wrong in your solving.